Hey guys, we're learning another song, yet another song off this awesome album behind me, Rumors album by Fleetwood Mac, 1977, 45 years ago. And man, I don't care if it's 45 years old. I listen to it like it's current. To me, I just love it. And we're doing another song today. We're doing The Chain. So this is really cool. Play a little bit of it for you. And four and then of course I'm not quite playing it the way it should be at the beginning, but I just want to give you a taste, a flavor of the song there. Hello, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. We're going to learn this song today. I'm going to do the part one that I always put on YouTube, and then the whole thing, the rest of the lessons are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Been teaching for over 30 years. The last 15 online, started on YouTube, and I specialize in teaching people how to play the songs they love without reading music. Music reading is a great skill to have. Definitely learn it if you can, and if you want to, yeah, go for it. But for some people, it's a roadblock. For some people, it's been a frustrating experience, especially when you learn enough to be able to play, and then you buy some sheet music at the store, and then you get home, and then it doesn't sound like this. It's something else with the melody in the right hand and something weird in the left hand. You're like, what is going on? So I try to give you that, I want you to feel like you could play with Fleetwood Mac, or whatever band I'm teaching. And I use letters on the whiteboard, and we talk about chords. I demonstrate rhythms, and we kind of learn through you listening and then kind of copying what I'm doing, which is a valid way of teaching music, I think. It's just a different way. It's not better. It's just different, and millions of people, I think, around the world need a different way to learn. And so here it is. We're going to do that today. Let's take a look at the whiteboard there, and you can see I have it zoomed in. Once you become a member on the website, you can download my sheet, which is a lot bigger than this. I have it zoomed in. And I'm going to switch to, I'm using one of the cool sounds Kawhi has on board on this great studio stage piano, but I'm going to go to got pretty proficient at pushing these buttons under the monitor without being able to see them. Go to the piano sound. Using the pop piano sound here, and it's a lot better for teaching with. I think some of those sounds kind of actually make it harder to learn when I'm actually teaching you. So here we go. We have E, B, E on the left hand, 5, 2, 1. We're going to hold it down because the guitar has, when people are picking strings on the guitar, I play guitar a little bit, so I know a little bit about the instrument. You let stuff ring, so we can use the pedal. We can hold down our fingers on the piano to emulate that sound, so that's okay to do that in this one. Okay, so we have, you got to go 3, 4. You got to count. I can't remember if that kick drum's in there yet on the beginning, but 3, 4. You definitely got to count there. Feel that beat. Okay, E, B, E, D in the right hand, B, F sharp. It's kind of like, what could you call that? You could call it an E minor 9, yeah. But to me, really, it's an E bass with a B minor on the right hand. That's what it feels like and sounds like and registers to me inside. So that's how I'm going to think of it. And yes, there are different ways to think of chords that are valid. So I think of an E in the bass and a B minor in the right. Instead of hearing an E 9, I don't hear any 9. I hear 3, 4. Here's the next one. E, B, E, D, B, D, E. And I'm going to hold on to that B on my thumb. 4, but you got to count to 3, 4. Okay, so 3, 4, and 4. And then I think this one comes again. Then I think it goes da 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 da. That's like next time. Don't have the board in front of me. Now I'm definitely gonna listen to this song again, make sure I have everything correct, as we do, excuse me, the other parts. 3 and 4 and there we go. So that is a short part one. Give you a taste of what we're doing. I try to, make all the guitar parts sound pretty good and even throw in some vocals in this because I think the arrangement calls for it. So those of you who like to have the vocal part in the right hand, we're going to be doing some of that. I think you'll really like the arrangement I came up with on the website. And I do all the songs, all 11 songs. They're on the website. If you want to learn the whole album, that'd be really cool if you did that. People will really think that was cool. I would, in fact. All right, I hope you enjoyed this part one. We'll talk to you later.